In this video we are going to migrate data from Palm Desktop to DejaOffice PC. DejaOffice PC has all of the features of Palm Desktop, such as contacts, calendar, tasks, memos, categories. DejaOffice PC is fully compatible with Windows 11. We will start with data in Palm Desktop. I just downloaded DejaOffice PC from the companion link website and would like to migrate my data from Palm Desktop to DejaOffice PC. First, go to Settings. Sync Settings. Select Palm as the PC data source. Click Settings under Palm. Ensure that the correct user is selected in the User ID tab. Click OK. Click Yes if prompted or click Sync Now in the bottom left. All Palm data is now in DejaOffice PC. DejaOffice has a number of features that do not exist in Palm Desktop. For example, you can have any number of categories and you can color them however you like. DejaOffice PC offers a number of advanced privacy and encryption features. You can check out our full video linked in the description for more information. DejaOffice also makes automatic backups, and you can set how often this occurs. You can keep this synced to Palm Desktop if you would like to use both Palm Desktop and DejaOffice PC. If you are ready to no longer use Palm Desktop, just go to Settings in DejaOffice PC. Go to Sync Settings. In PC Data Source, select None. If you would like to sync to a phone, you can select the desired sync method under mobile phone or tablet. We have sync setup videos and written guides linked below.